这轮新的人民币贬值，您觉得是中共政权做的吗？它给中美贸易战带来了什么样的影响？还有，川普和欧盟主席宣布了谋求美欧之间的零关税，那中共政权要如何应对呢？
由于人民币最近这些年。
Over the years, the value of the renminbi has been related to China's real economy, its economic environment, risks in its financial system, and money supply. So, as I criticize, this approach of the Chinese government over issuing currency will certainly depreciate renminbi significantly. This depreciation is a sure trend in both the mid and long term. Right now, it's so obvious in the short term that some doubt it is a move by the Chinese government. However, I don't see much need for the regime to do so. What it might do at most is leave the currency uninterrupted. As we know, if renminbi is depreciated too much, the authorities may use its foreign exchange reserve, say in large amounts buying renminbi and selling US dollars to keep its currency stable and appreciated to a certain degree. But right now, there's no such need. Yes, generally depreciation will contribute to exports amid the U.S. trade war with China. However, we face a situation in which that method might not necessarily bring about huge interest as expected. It's known that America's stance means it will slap high tariffs on $500 billion worth of Chinese imports. Therefore, China, by devaluing renminbi alone, cannot successfully promote its exports in a usual sense. More importantly, President Trump and European Commission President Juncker issued a statement following their summit that both sides would remove trade barriers, tariffs, and any subsidies, thus creating a free trade zone with zero tariffs and zero subsidies. Mind you, the total population of the two regions is 830 million, nearly 12% of the world's population, and their GDP combined consists of 50% of the world's. With such a tightened free economy for free trade zone, if added up with Japan and some other trading powers, the majority of the global economies, I believe will enter a stage of extremely low, even zero tariff. That will be a disastrous suppression and blow to China. Therefore, the Chinese regime will never change the dynamic with such a minor scheme, depreciation.
没有办法来扭转这样一个局势。